Don't know. Okay, I turn on my client computer. It's still running. You can see my client computer is this one. Hmm. Okay, let's log in here. Okay, if you remember, we create lots of users and the users will be showing in here. So today you can see this is the computer name. This is the username, Abu Afzal. My name, I write down it so I can see. But when we will connect under the domain, you can see that one will be showing different way. What is that one? We'll check later. Write down password. Always we are using the same type of password. If you want to change, you can change it. It's your choice. So this is our operating system. Now everything is good to go. We need both operating system. And you can say another thing is available. That one is you need to update your computer. So no, we don't need to update anything in here because if you want to update, you need to pay lots of money. I don't need to do anything in here. Okay. But best practice when you are using your computer, always update your operating system. Otherwise, some portion will be work, some portion will be not work. This is the problem for our computer. Okay, I turn on my client computer. Let's turn on our server computer. Select that one, click into the start. My server is running. Wait a couple of more seconds. You can see this computer is working a little bit slow because I'm using two operating system at a time. So please wait a couple of more minutes in here. Then after a few minutes, we can see all things will be active. And one more thing, I already upload all the recordings into the YouTube, same channel. So if you want, you can check from in there. Okay, I need to change the processor. You can see the processor size is in here only 2. When we are running both computer together, it works slowly. Okay, I'll change little bit later. First, I need to turn on that one. Okay, that one is working. In the meantime, let's start in here something. Windows 10. The IP address. This is the IP address for our client computer. And let me. Now this one also be okay. Now we can see this is the IP address for my this client computer. So let me write down another command. ipconfig/all. We wanna check it in here. Our server IP address is showing in or not. This is the DNS server IP address. I can see 172.16.0.10 is available in here. Let me move into the server. Maybe that one is ready or not yet. Okay, so I can see my computer IP address is this one 172.16.04, and this is the server IP address we set in our this computer. So now, before we start anything, we need to check two things. First one is not two, more things. First, we need to turn both computers. One computer is running, another one is still running. It's not yet okay. Now it's done. Let me move in there. Go to input, go to Control-Alt-Delete. We need to log in under this tool and write down the password, which one you use for your login purposes. First, we need to turn on both computers. Both computers are now running. So I want to do one thing, these two work side by side. I need two computers and both computers need to be side by side. Then it will be easy for work. Okay, I did like this way. My server manager is still working. Okay, ADDS, DNS, everything is now showing. Very good. Now, first option, we need to turn on both computers. We did it. Second option, we need to check, did we do or did we set the IP address of our server IP address in our client computer? We check it, our DNS server IP address is available in our client computer. Now, in the meantime, same way, let's move into the client computer, server computer, and write down CMD, and let's check all the commands. All the commands means same as IP config/all. I need to check what is the server IP address. You can see in here something wrong. Wrong is server IP address is showing 172.16.0.10, but DNS server IP address is showing 20. Maybe I write down something wrong in here 20. So our DNS server is not 20. That one is the computer IP address. Yeah, we set that on tomorrow, but why it's changed? Interesting. Okay, let me update it. So go to the local server. You can see in here, it is again, it's very slow. In here, we can see Ethernet, click in there. Click into double click in here. What is in here? Select Internet Protocol, properties. You can see that one I write down 20. It's actually not 20, it's actually 10. Both are same IP address. Maybe I mistakenly write down that one. So close it, close it, close it. I don't need this portion, close it. Now refresh our browser. This is the refresh button. Click into the refresh, then the server manager will be refreshed within few seconds. So we check in our client computer IP address is very good. It's perfectly set. DNS server is perfectly set. Now we need to move into our server and check again. Did we change everything perfectly? We can see our DNS server, both side DNS server IP address is same now. So same means everything is now at least good. Now let's try to ping it. Ping means I want to check both computer can work together or not, same network or not. If both computer are not same network, then you cannot connect. That means if you cannot ping from one computer to another computer, it's never be work. So write down ping in the server, and after ping, write down the IP address of our client computer. What is the IP address? This is the IP address for our client computer in here. Write down that one. 172.168.0.40. Press enter. Let me check what can we see. So they give me one message, destination host unreachable. That means this computer is not working. Okay, we'll fix it. Let me check from our client computer. Happen. My cursor is blinking in here. What happened in here? Processor. In here, processor is 4. In here, processor is now what happened? Only for this lab purpose, I bought this computer, 32 GB RAM and 16 generation computer. But it is still showing same thing. Give me one moment, please. Let me try to write down. Now it's come back. Let's write down ping and our server IP address 172.16.0.10. This is our server IP address 17. Yes, sir. Hi, Hamida. How are you? It's okay, Hamida. No problem. Thank you for coming. Yeah, you missed a few things. Not much more thing. Okay, write down ping and check it your server IP address. Press enter. Let me check what can we see. So same thing we can see the destination host unreachable. So that means we connect with each other, but both are not working fine. So there is something wrong. So find out what is the wrong. Okay, I'm gonna check it one thing. That one is device. Where is the LAN card? Recording, native. In here, I use net. In here, I use breeze. So before doing anything, we need to do another work. So minimize this one, the command prompt, and go to in here for the client computer, go to the control panel and find out where is the firewall. Though we can see firewall setting in here, so let's write down firewall. So go to the firewall defender and turn off all the firewall. Turn Windows Defender firewall on and off. Click in there. Turn off both side firewall. This is the client side. I turn off both firewall. Press OK. Now firewall is stop. Close. Close it. Done for this side. So let's move into the server side. And same way, minimize this one. And in here you can see Microsoft Defender firewall is on. Click in there. Same too, we can see domain firewall is on, private firewall is on, public firewall is on. So let's turn off all the firewall. So this is the domain off. No change in anything in there. In the back button, domain is done. Private network, click in there, turn off. And public, turn off. I want to turn off every firewall. So firewall is now turned off. Now refresh your server. When server is ready, we can see, okay, it is still working. I need to change few things in here in the server. First, I want to try to check it is both are working perfectly or not. Okay, now I can see my server is now ready for work, and you can see that one is the turn of all the firewalls. So now let's try to check it using the command prompt. I need to check ping is working or not. So again, just use the up arrow key. No need to write down it again. Press enter and check it. What will happen in the left side? From left means from client to host. We can see same message from the. Okay, I can see some new messages in here. Again, they give me message. Same thing. Okay, let me try one more time. What can I see? Okay, from the client, I cannot go to the server. Okay, let me try to server to client. And now we can see both sides is showing same thing. So let's do one thing. Both are not in same type of network. So for this reason, we can see this type of error is showing. So let's shut down our both computer. So I know shut down both computer. Click in there, shut down it. Continue. Same way, shut down our this side computer. Server is shut down and client also be going to be shut down. Okay, now both computer power off, you can see, and we need to use same type of network. So this is client is already selected. Go to the properties. I go to the settings. In the settings, I need to check our network adapter card. This one is using the net connection. That one is the good. Let's go to the server and go to the settings. We want to use same network types. In here, it's showing breeze. Let's use the net. And any other thing, no need to do anything. Okay, another thing, I need to change the processor size in here because when I turn on my computer, it's work very slow. System processor, that one is use only 2 CPU, and I use in here 4 CPU. Okay. 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 I want to use both side same type of processor. Then hopefully both one will be work fine. Let's start. Again, I try to connect client computer first. When that one will be active, then we'll turn on our server one. Wait a couple of more seconds in here. Okay, now client is ready for work. Write down the password and log in into there. Okay, client is almost ready. Let's start with the power server. I select server. Now turn on. So again, please wait a couple of more minutes in here. Press any key to anywhere. So actually for the virtual machine purposes, when we are using, best is we need to use Hyper-V. Hyper-V is the best practice used for your operating system because when you are using Hyper-V, they are not using your CPU. So as a result, that one will be work fast. But for that one, we need to pay some money, approximate $13 or $14. So that means you need to convert your Windows Home Edition to Windows Professional Edition. Then it will be work very fine. So please wait in here. When server will be ready, we will do the rest of work. Okay, the server said, please click into the input keyboard, Control Alt Delete, and let's write down the password. Second, when it's ready, obviously we need to use the network. Server is now ready. Let me do one thing. Same way, I want to do side by side and check it. What is the status of my both computers? Mm. Okay, I want to minimize this one. That is skin I cannot see. Minimize the server manager. Okay, I don't need right now. When I need, I'll open it again. So let's write down CMD same way again, and write down IP config /all. Let me check it. We can see DNS server is this one. Very good. And this is the computer IP address. Both are now same. Very good. Now come in the client computer. Let's write down CMD and same way write down IP config /all and check it. The computer IP address. This is the computer IP address. Very good. And DNS server, we can see that one. Very good. Both are same. Now let's try to ping. This is the client computer. I need server IP address 172.16.0.10. Check it. This is the server DNS IP address. Let me check what will happen. Are they connecting? Not yet. It's still their destination host unreachable. Okay, so let me from in here, what can we see? 172.172.16.0 and client IP address is 40. So now both sides, they are saying their destination host unreachable. So we turn off in here firewall. Let me check. Yeah, firewall is turn off. Another thing we check. And let me check one more thing. That one is the settings. We need to check the net connection. In the net, we are using this one. Let me check in here settings, network. In here, I am using net. Both are same network. Allow all things. Cable connected. Port is very good. Everything is good to see. So why they are not connecting? I cannot see any error, but let me change the network adapter. So that one is we are using net. Let me use the breeze. Hyper-V Ethernet adapter 2. Let me check in here breeze, Hypernet Ethernet. Okay, let me use both. One is breeze and try to use ping again. What can we see in both sides? Now we can see both sides is now working. So yeah, I want to use this one. Somehow the network is change. Net is not working properly because in my computer I am using the Hyper-V. As a result, they need to use the Hyper-V. So check both places you are using breeze or net. Normally, when you are using net, the configuration will be good to go. So now we can see if you write down ping and your server IP address, we can see everything is showing good. That means now I can get 4 messages. Same thing in here, when you write down ping and client computer, then you can see same messages. That means I need this message. If you can get this message, that means everything is good to go. So this is our first preliminary requirement for our connecting under the domain. First, we need to turn both computer. Second, we need to turn off firewall. We can turn on, but there is one mechanism we need to do. right now, ignore that one. This is the second. Third one, we need to check, did we write down server IP address in the client computer, DNS server IP address? Number four, sorry, we need to do one thing, that one is pinging each other. Both are pinging or not. If both are pinging, then it's easy for work. If both are not pinging, then it's never be connect. So now we need to connect with each other. So this computer will be under this domain. So now I want to do one thing. I want to minimize this screen. I don't need that one. I don't need to do anything in here. I don't need to do anything in here. So I have to connect with my domain. This is my client computer. Left side is client, right side is server. You can see in the top, client running, server running. So do one thing, right click in the start. The system. Okay, I need to maximize because I cannot see the left pane. So go to systems and check. Maybe not system. Click into the home settings. I need to go to the settings. I write down something wrong. So right click and go to the settings. Where is the settings? Settings. Oh, okay, we are in the same place. So I need to go to the network and internet. No, I am in wrong site. Let me check where is that one. Okay, that one is the settings under the accounts. So we are in settings. Let's move into the directly settings. Settings and I need to access work and school. So that one is under the settings, but it's somehow that both screen is not showing same settings. Under the setting is school work, access work or school. Yeah, I want to do one thing. Let me take a screenshot of this one, because when I want to do it again, and I want to take some screenshot for this one. So snipping tool. Everything is slow. I'm writing something, but is not showing. Go to the server, right click, click into the settings. When you click into the settings, then you can see this screen. We need to go to the accounts. So my screen and this screen is a little bit different. So I want to take a screenshot of this one. Wait a second, and I want to paste in there, and I will share this screen to all of you. So go to first settings. After then, we need to go to the accounts. So I want to update in here. Okay, after then another skin we need to use. Give me 1 second. I will share with you update one. So finally, we can come in here, click into the accounts. Then this is my local user. Maybe in your case, you can see another one. In my case, I can see another one. So now take a screenshot of this one also as well, just for your future purposes. So come in here. After then, we need to click in here. So I'm gonna copy it, paste in here, and in here I need to write on one thing. Click accounts. Something is missing in the statement, but I will share this one also as well. After then, where is that? After then, click it the access and school work. This screen will become. So let me. After then, we need to click into the disconnect. Now we need to click in here. I will share that slide or that screenshot to all of you. Then you can easily work on it. Now click in here. When you click in here, the new window will be coming. In that window, we need to write down email address. We don't have email address. Go to the alternative section. Join this device to Microsoft Enter ID. No. Join this device to local Active Directory domain. Yeah, we need to choose this one. So let me check in the instruction what I write down. Scroll over, click connect here. We did it. Click connect. Connect. When appear join device. Okay. When that one is coming, so I want to take that screenshot and paste in there. Then it will be easy for working purpose at least. I will share this update one. So we need to choose this option. Every step written in there, but for your lab purpose, for your working purpose, you can follow that step. Okay, now click into there. Because I don't have an email address, I did not use join this device to Microsoft Enter. I did that one for online purposes, and I don't have that one. So let's click in there. When you click in there, the second alternative and second option. So where is that one? Okay, it's now hanged. So wait a couple of seconds. Something will be appear. Oh no. So guys, please wait. I cannot do anything. We need to wait. Oh no. What happened? Is there anyone doing this one? Anyone? Anyone working on it? Okay, guys, wait a couple of more seconds. We need to wait. No choice. Okay, finally it's come. You can see when you click in that connect, after then we click in here, join this device to local directory. Then we can see another window will become this window, join a domain. Let me take this screenshot and share with all of you. Somehow that one is working a little bit slow. We need to write down in there our domain name. So this window will be appear. So join, you can see this one. In here, we need to use that. Okay, I will share this new slide. Now write down what is our domain name. Okay, again, it's so guys, from tomorrow, I'll do everything in the Hyper-V because you can see when I want to use this thing, everything is working very slow. But when I'll use Hyper-V, hopefully there everything will be good. So tomorrow I'll use Hyper-V. Please convert your computer home edition to pro edition. If you need any help, let me know. Or if you need a license key, let me know. I'll provide you, but I'll show you how to do that one. You can use your credit card and you can buy your um, license key from that website, or you can do by yourself. What is the problem, man? Yes, I'm gonna write something in here. Okay, I need to do one thing. Somehow this machine is not working fine. I'm gonna restart it because that one will be makes problem. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna turn off and I'm gonna restart it again. Client computer. Power off. But this is not a good idea to power off your computer like this way. When you power off your computer, maybe next time it will be work or maybe not. So try to avoid this one. But now I don't have any choice. I need to do. Let's power on again and check it what will happen. So until then, wait please. The breaking news. change the interest rate. Okay, now my client computer is start to work. You can see working on update. That one is updating in the backend. And why the views are changed? Guys, please wait. That one is updating. For this reason, everything is stopped. Guys, please wait. Computer is restarting again. Okay, I can do one thing. This is my server one. So in the server, Please wait, guys. Is there anyone doing this lab? Anyone? Amida, did you do anything? Amida? Pedros? So let's write down the password. Finally, I can see my computer is working. And that one will be run. No, we need to check first pinging command. That means is it pinging or not? So again, I want to do side by side and check it. This computer is pinging or not. Server one. Let's check CMD. Write down ping and server IP address 192.168.0.10. I can see that one is pinging. Very good news. So we don't need to do anything in here. Minimize that one. Maximize this is good. And go to the settings. Right click in here, Windows sign. Wow, very good news. You can see. Oh, how is it possible? In here, it's working slow. Okay, now coming to the settings. Go to the accounts. Click into the access work or school. Click into connect. Now I can see join this device to a local Active Directory domain. Click in there. Now we can see this screen. Write down your domain name. Our domain name is adatomb.com. So in the instruction, that one is saying adatomb.com. Write down that things. That one. After then, press next button. If everything is good, that one will be correct. So let's click into the next. Oh, I write down something wrong. Adatomb.com. Now let me move into the server. This is the server. adatum.com. I write down perfectly. So let me check. They say domain could not be found. Please domain name and try it. Let me write down only adatomb. Okay, I don't need to write down .com, but in the instruction always we write down the .com actually. Let's remove that one. So let me try it using that one. If that one is working fine, very good. username administrator, and write down the password, your domain password. So let me check in there. What is that one written? Write down administrator and password. So press OK. So if everything is good, then we can see our computer will be joined with the domain. They said firewall is not working. I don't need right now. Again, they say the atom is not found. Okay, so before that, again, I want to check one thing. Go to the CMD and write down ipconfig/all. Check it. What is my DNS server? Okay, I can see DNS server is showing lots of things and lots of IP version 6 in here. This is the, okay. Let me do one thing. Go to the network card. Network adapter, Ethernet settings. Change adapter option, double click in here. Sometimes IP version 6 is making problems. So let's uncheck that IP version 6 and go to IP4, 16, 10, 10, everything is good. Let me close it, close it, close this one. Okay, everything is gone from in here. Let me try again. Settings, accounts, access, connect. Join device to local Active Directory and domain. Write down adatum.com. Next, admenestro, administrator. Write down password. Press OK. Now you can see when you write down that one, then you can see new screen. That means everything is good. Let me take a screenshot of this one. We need to write down in here. Okay, in here, actually, we need to change in another thing in here. Let me write down in here, domain name will be .com. And after then administrator, we need to choose the in here we need to take another screenshot. So that one is administrator, account type also be administrator. We need to set that things. After then go to the next. That all the steps are showing in there. You can see. I have to take picture and I save into that sheet. Give me 1 second. Yeah, we need to just change this one. After then click into the next. So let me paste in here this one and move it. Now click next. When you next, then you need to restart your computer. Let me check in here. Is that one is restart your computer? Restart your computer. When you restart, you can see now you will be connected with under the domain. That means this computer is now under a domain. So wait a couple of more seconds. Sometimes this IP version 6 makes problems. So best practice, we don't need to use the IP version 6 in both computer. You can remove that one. So now you can see one thing, computer is good. Let's click in there. Now you can say adatom.com administrator will be showing in here. So write down the password. Previously, we cannot see this screen. Now we can see. So this is the new screen. So I want to take this screen. This computer is now under the domain. This is the proof of your computer. You are under the domain. Another way we can show you, I can show you your computer is under the domain. So that should become automatically, and we need to write down the password, press enter. So let me paste in there. Another screen we can see, I'll show you that one after join our domain. Okay, press enter. Let's move into there. We need few minutes in here because this is the first time we're doing this one. For the second time, we don't need to wait in here. It's automatically work. So guys, please wait in here. So it's that operating system in the server. Okay, I'll do this one a little bit later. First, do this one, finish it. Now your computer is ready to work. Now we need to check is that one is under the domain or not. So I said it's under the domain. So how come we can know? Okay, it is still working. Right click in the start, right click into the system. Now you can see your computer name is cl1.adatum.com. You are under the domain. Let me take this screenshot. And another way we can check it, you are under the domain. So this is the one proof, your full computer name. Another proof, what is your username? So click in there, in here, click in there. Then you can see this is the administrator. A few minutes ago, we saw that one is the administrator. This is the username we can see, and it's changed. And one more way we can see. Okay, that one is okay. Another thing is check in here. In here, not in here. I wanna show you from right click. Is if you wanna click into the rename PC, you can see current PC name, not in here. Another place we can see username. Let me find out. Give me 1 second. User. Okay, you can see in here connected to adatum ad domain adatum.com. This is our another proof we are now under the domain. So now this computer is under domain. So we can see everything in our client computer. Let me go to the server computer and check it. Is there any way we can see our client computer is connected with my computer, my server one? Okay, what happened in here? Why the picture is taking so many steps? Move it, man. Move it little bit more. Very good. Little bit more. Very good. I'll share this new slide, new sheet to all of you. So this is the client computer. We can see client computer is actually showing that one. Let's move into the server. This is the server. Server is still not showing full screen. So that one we need to update operating system. Then it will be work fine. So I want to check it. So what can you do? Go to the server manager, go to tools, click on the active directory users and computers. Then click into the computers. Now we can see our CL1 computer will be available in here. That means I connect one computer with me. One computer is now under me. So how many computers are connected with you? All the list will be showing in here. So that one is showing. If you delete this one from in here, that one will be exit from the domain, that client computer. If you want to active that one, so no need to delete it. You can configure more thing in here, more things. So day by day we'll do, but not all the things we are doing in here. We'll try to give you some information, how to work on it, how to control it, that things. Day by day we'll do everything. So make sure you need to use both computer. Make sure you can see your computer will be showing in here. Any question, guys? We did it, everything. Today's task is done. Question, if you have any question, please. Okay, and I install that one because if I will update it, then my computer will be full screen. Previously, we don't need to update any operating system. It's automatically update, but nowadays they changed the Oracle VirtualBox software information. So we need to wait, or we need to do that one. So, okay, the internet is not working. Why it is not working? No internet access at home. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, any question? And just update it this one. When this one will be updated, then we can see everything will be work fine. Okay, you can see everything is now hang. The problem in the VirtualBox or VMware, but if you are using the Hyper-V, then it's work very fine. Very fine means smoothly. They don't use your CPU. They don't need any CPU. They are working directly into the virtual machine. As a result, that's one is very faster than any other third-party software. Sorry, guys. Any question? So I cannot move anywhere. My whole computer is now stopped. Okay, I can see. Guys, any question? Can anyone hear me? Okay, in the meantime, I want to do one thing. I want to turn off this client computer because I don't need her. Okay, when I change the IP version 6, there is no internet. Okay, no problem. Shut down it. My main purpose is done, so that's enough for me. So this one is now shut down. Very good. Now computer will be fast, hopefully. Maybe this one is updating. For this reason, it's happened like that way. Let me shut down it. Forcefully turn off it. And again turn on. turn on. This is the virtual machine. In the virtual machine, if you are thinking anything problem, so you can reinstall it. This is the good thing. But yeah, when you want to install, it will be take times. So please try to install or make a clone, make a copy. We'll do everything divided. How to clone it, how to copy it, how to do make a backup. When you finish installation, you can make a backup file. Okay, you can see preparing automatic repair, then to repair. Continue, man, continue. Guys, please wait in here. Okay, it's not updating. Okay, let me click on the Control-Alt-Delete. Let me move in there. Password. It is still not update. Let me. Okay, wait a second. Check it. Control. Okay, input devices. Install Git edition. CD images. '64. Install it. Next. 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 Install. Yes, reboot now. Guys, please wait a couple of more minutes. Okay, that one is still not working. Maybe we need to update. After then it will be work. Okay, no problem. Write down password. Let me check. What can we see? I can see it's not working. The internet is again stopped. I now do one more thing. Set the internet in here. Go to the settings. Normally, one LAN card will be good for working. Oh, okay. I change in here breeze. We'll do that one later. So that one is not fully screen still now, but hopefully, okay, that one is again. That one is not. Okay, guys, done for today's lab. I will upload this new sheet into the our desired place. So give me a couple of minutes. I want to upload it. So I know stop recording. Oh, sorry.